Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I am making Pokora Kadhi. For the ingredients, we will need 1 container of yogurt, 32 ounce. You can use desi or any regular whole milk yogurt from any grocery stores. You would need 1 large size onion, 1 large size tomato, 1 jalapeno pepper. The reason I have 2 onions there is because one is for the pakora mixture. We will need garlic and ginger paste, gram flour, and a blender. Chop up all your vegetables, 1 large size onion, 1 tomato, 1 jalapeno pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, and just about 1 ounce of water to blend the mixture. Blend it in well. Make sure there's no lumps. You want a smooth mixture. Guys, do try this recipe. It's very simple. You just have to make sure you follow all the steps. So good luck to you. Take a big pot. You will add just about 1/3 cup of cooking oil in there and add the mixture that we just mixed. The heat should be on medium, because you would have to cook this mixture for just about 10 minutes. Add your spices in there. We would need 1 tablespoon of chili pepper. You can add more if you like it spicy. 1 full tablespoon of coriander powder. I just added a little bit more because mine wasn't full. 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. Salt according to your taste. No turmeric powder at all in this. Now I'm gonna make my yogurt mixture while my masala is cooking. You put that on medium heat so it can cook. So for the yogurt mixture, you add your yogurt, 32 ounce container. Add 1/2 cup of water, 2.5 tablespoons of gram flour. Mix in well. Make sure there's no lumps. Add into your masala and stir it well. Make sure everything is mixed in. Now I added just about 3 cups of water in there after I added my yogurt mixture. Make sure you don't move away from the curry. Make sure until it starts boiling like this, and then put the lid on. While the curry's cooking, I made this mixture. The pakora mixture is very easy. You cut up thin sliced onions, some cilantro, 1 jalapeno pepper, some gram flour. I'll put the ingredients down in the description. Sorry, I lost my footage for this, but I will put all the ingredients. I let my curry cook for just about an hour. And guys, I did not add any baking soda or baking powder in my pakoras. Don't do that. And while my curry was cooked and it had like 10 minutes left, and I started making my pakoras, and now I'm just gonna put the pakoras in there. And by the time the pakora goes in, all that curry just soaks the pakoras in, and then it just comes really soft, and the pakoras are crispy from outside but very soft from inside. For my third cut, it's very simple. I'm just using cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed in the same oil that I made my pakoras in. So you let the cumin seed cook in the oil for just about a minute or two. You'll start smelling the cumin seeds. So after that, you just add this tarka while the curry is cooking. You just add that in there. Smell is amazing at this point. And then make sure you put 1 tablespoon in the frying pan. Make sure you get all the goodness, all them cumin seeds, and voila, guys, it's so delicious. For garnish, I added some cilantro, and I served this with fresh homemade roti. You can serve it with white plain rice. It tastes good with both. Please do try this recipe. Let me know how it was. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.